Good morning, guys. I just realized my picture was the big one. Good morning. Really quickly, kindergarten and first grade announcements for learning coaches. The only really different thing is the re-registration that's going on. Teachers will be emailing once a week to those that have not completed their re-registration. Remember that even if you're not returning for sure or you're undecided, please go in and complete the re-registration, and you will just put that you're undecided or that you're not returning. And then we'll stop emailing you and calling you. So there is right here how to re-reg doc. So if you need help with that kind of step-by-step takes you through that. I'll put our video in here, our secret word today. Let's do spring. Even though it's not sunny today, it is spring finally. Okay, again, those days are clicking by. We are here the 25th of March, so we have this week 1, 2, 3, 4-day week, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and not a full week. So 9 weeks with 2 of those days taken out to make sure that we are up to date on the pacing chart, that your student has completed all of the information that they need for the grade level and ready to move on to that next grade level. Oh, I opened that twice, I guess. Let me see if I can. I thought there was one other thing. I opened that twice. School calendar. Teacher graded assignment. Remember that the last one is due by April 5th. So anytime the end of this week, next week, up until the 5th, which is next Friday. So the end of this week or next week, you may turn in 1 ELA, 1 phonics or spelling or any of the ELA courses. Get rid of this. There we go. And you'll email that to your own teacher. So kindergarten to me, first grade to Mrs. Burdick. Last one of those. And then the face-to-face, the date is wrong in here in the website. So stay tuned for that. I believe it's the 26th of April is our next one, but don't write that down yet. I will get it out to you as soon as we get a flyer for that. Okay, I think that's it. Easy peasy, right? Have a great week. Get lots done, and don't forget to go back in and do your secret word of spring. Bye, guys.